Alright y'all, before I start this video, I just want to show you guys that I uploaded this picture on my Instagram, and there's a reason why. But make sure to go peep it, because you see right there, 10,000 likes. My parents would kill me if I were to pierce my ears. If this picture gets 10,000 likes, I also talk about it at the end of the video, but if this picture gets 10,000 likes, I will pierce my ears live on Instagram, and I'll also put it on my channel. So make sure to go check it out. Now let's go thrift. Yo, what's good guys? My hair's looking a little crazy right now. Got it in like a little bun, but this is gonna be trip to the thrift. I don't know, but we're gonna head out to the thrift. Hopefully we find some things. Once again, like I always say, please leave down below in the comment section other types of videos that you guys want to see. Your boy is actually almost done with barber school. I got about a month and like, a month and like 13 days or 14 days, something like that. And then I will definitely let you guys know why I'm stocking up so many items in my storage. All that fire is gonna go towards something, and I will let you guys know as soon as I graduate. What else? Also, my hair, probably next month I'm gonna be cutting it off. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do yet, but I know this thing is all gonna be coming off. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. That was just a little update of can't talk right now, of what your boy's been doing. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is gonna be trip to the thrift. I don't know, so let's go. Peace. I really thought this was gonna have a bear on it. Ralph Lauren pillow. Sadly, nothing on it. Okay, you got the 5s right here. Very small size. Found this vintage Nike side bag. Pretty fire. Got the Nike on the zip right there, and then it's got a slight Nike logo right there. For sure picking it up. And then another Laker hat, Logo Athletic, with the, I think these are called like the diamond logos. Scoop, both of them. Old Love, New Love. This is super fit. They got these basic Kappa joggers, but look at that. 30 bucks? No way, bro. They got this all pink Killian hoodie right here. I think it's women's. Yeah, size large. It's actually not bad for $4. Just found this kid's pro player. Los Angeles Lakers jacket. Might scoop. They're asking for 13. It's in pretty good condition. Okay. They got this Tommy jacket right here, size large. But yo, tax 35. This is not crazy enough for that. I'm gonna have to pass. Yo, these 270s are dope. Size 4Y, but they're actually pretty beat. It's got some stains, some rips. I'm asking for 20. We'll see. Bootleg baby Milo hat. This is right there, made in China. Little kids cherry 12s for $8. Maybe. We got some 2011 Air Maxes. That's 10.5. It's got some stains on it. $20. The bubble's still good. Yo, these are so perfect for Sean's new shoe coming out. Don't know when, but colorway's the same. Size XL, blue tag. But look, dead stock. Oh my god. Thought it was a Coogee sweater. Alfani on this Polar Ralph Lauren, $10, 67. For sure gonna pick this up. It's got a little hole right here. I'm still gonna scoop. Alright y'all, before I head out, I want to run through really quickly everything I picked up so far. Laker hat, vintage leather Nike side bag, the vintage 80s blue tag, size large, dead stock joggers, the Polo RL 67, for sure a fire cup. The colorway inside is so crazy. The Christian Dior button up, just a vintage tee. Y'all can read it yourself. And then the James Hardaway, Penny Hardaway. I was thinking James Harden for some reason. The Penny Hardaway Orlando Magic champion jersey, the 3D emblem, Truckers Only tee, and the Calvin Klein. Time to head out. Let's go. Okay, just sticking out. Vintage Ralph Lauren shorts. Oh yeah. Might pick this up, not sure yet. It's a kid's though. It's kind of tight. It's a little wide though. I got this bootleg Guess side bag. Just got it ripping out here. If I put glue on that, it low key would just stay. I don't know yet. We'll see. Alright, so your boy got a package in the mail. I'm gonna try to do this one-handed. It should be the Supreme earring that a lot of people thought was just a pin. Okay. Got the Supreme bag. Anything else in here? Nope. Alright, let's open it up. Okay, the nice Supreme all white bag. Let's see what they gave you, boy. Okay, there's a couple stickers in here. That's pretty fire. It's a phone and then the red box logo. And then what I actually ordered. Look how small that is, bro. Is it even in there? Well, yeah, it's in there. Let's open it on the white so y'all can see it a little better. Right there, you can see it says, let's get a little closer. Right there, you can see it says Supreme, Nike, super tiny bag. Let me open this up. I'm doing this all with one hand, guys, so give me a break. Okay, let's see if that just falls out. Hold up, hold up. It's right there, it's right there. Come on. Okay, we got it a little open now. Oh my god, dog, this is... Okay, let me put that closer. Alright, got it. Yo, this is low-key super small. Hold up, see if that clears up. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Does this say Supreme at all on it? Oh, it does on the back. Let's see if I can get that to clear up for you guys. Actually, here, let me open it up. Alright, I opened it up, so as you can see, it's got a little shine to it. It's a Nike earring. And on the back, if that clears up enough, let me see. You can see right there's a little rectangle. It says Supreme. Hold up. I figured you guys would want to see the stickers, so let me actually just take them out. So the first one is obviously the OG Supreme box logo, just like the bag. And then this one's actually pretty tight. It's a old school telephone. The street phones, Supreme right there on the top. And then what else does it say? Nope, that's it. And then this one right here, just a little like in and out Supreme logo. I think it says Eternal. Oh, it's Eternal Supreme. Yeah. So yeah, those are the stickers and the earrings. Now it's time to put it back inside. Yeah, what's good? Yeah, what's good, guys? So I actually did the unbagging, unboxing, whatever, of the Supreme that you guys just saw, the Supreme earring. Huh. But yeah, so I'm actually doing this thing on my Instagram. I'm doing something kind of wild. Like, obviously I do not have my ears pierced, as you can see. And I'm doing a post where if I get a ridiculous amount, the most likes I've ever got on a picture is 1,000. If I get 10,000 likes on the picture that I post with the Supreme earring, I will pierce my ear live on Instagram, and I'll put it up on YouTube too. So make sure down below in the description, the link to my Instagram is there, and it's also in the comments. So make sure to go peep it, go like it, and if you want me to pierce my ears, then spread it and get everyone to like it. As you can see, your boy will look kind of tight with that earring, boy. Little Nike joint on the ear. But yeah, I'll put this on if I get 10,000 likes. I'll pierce my ear. Always stick to my word. So go like it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was Trip to the Thrift. I don't know, but you already know the slogan, so let's wrap it up to the coziest channel in the game. Amen to fashion. What is good?